Eren Student Dormitory of Girls Life Education Center, a new life center with a 5-star concept. Our life center consists of 165 rooms with different types as 1, 2, 3 or 4 bedded concepts. All the rooms are large and spacious as well as the floors, and they have their own toilets. In our complex, we also have a security camera and electronic card system 7 days, 24 hours. There are also sports and entertainment places such as cinema, fiber internet, infirmary, meeting and study rooms, laundry, kitchen, cafe, dining hall, pool, steam bath and hammam, besides fitness center, prayer room, hobby and drawing rooms. The universities under agreement are Istanbul University Beyazıt Campus, Istanbul University Avcılar Campus, Yıldız Technical University Davutpaşa Campus, İstinye University Topkapı Campus, New Century University Topkapı Campus, Biruni University Zeytinburnu Campus, Nişantaşı University, Kadir Has University, Commerce University. Transportation to the universities by our private service buses is also cost-free. You can also use the metro lines to reach the universities in the same duration of time. Our metro stops are Otogar and Forum Istanbul stations. Please don't be late for reservation to our live complex, so comfortable and peaceful, like your home. You can call us 24 hours from 0212-510-4747 or visit our website www.erenkızöğrenciyurdu.com. Thank you.